Getaway. That was perfect timing, if I do say so myself. So ooh, you hear the train in the background. I'm at the San Luis Obispo Railroad Museum. That's right around here, as well as the station. And let's see what's coming in. All right, let's go take a closer look. Hi there.
All right, folks, welcome aboard. This is the southbound Amtrak Surfliner train 794 en route to Los Angeles with a final stop of San Diego. Coach passengers are going to board any open door on the first 4 cars of the train. Those are the cars to the right. And if you're traveling business class, you're aboard the last 2 cars of the train, closest to the locomotive. Once again, this is the southbound Amtrak Surfliner, train 794.
So yeah, we have seen 2 trains in like, I don't know, a matter of maybe a minute. So pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty darn beautiful, right? You see the palm trees in the background and like the nice blue color on the train. Yeah, the sun is shining. And this is such a friendly, calm, beautiful town. Yeah, it's been really nice to spend a little more time here. So this is pretty fun. There's a guy right over there on his bike. I got a quick shot when he was riding by because I like that kind of thing, you know, action. And then he stopped and he's like, "Do you have a Railfanning channel?" And I was like, well, and I started explaining to him, you know, what I do. And it's a lot of like conversations with people, but that right now I kind of was doing a little more of Railfanning than conversation. So then I was like, I'm gonna talk to him. And then he asked for the name of my channel. And when he looked it up, he'd actually been following it for a couple of years or a little while. So I was like, that makes me happy. So in case any of you don't already know, the Pacific Surfliner goes from here, San Luis Obispo, California, all the way down to San Diego. So it's fun to kind of catch it at one of the ends. So it's 4:03 p.m. If you're trying to catch trains, maybe you know that's a good time now to generally come by here. But I'm loving like the light on the lampposts, the light of the sun, the whole thing, the landscape, the train. It just looks really nice.
Call for the southbound Amtrak Surfliner train 794 en route to Los Angeles for the final stop of San Diego. If you're on board helping someone find a seat or just walking through the train, we really love trains. Not need to wait time to make your way downstairs and be bored. Once again, there can be last call doors closing in just a moment.
So hi there. So you're okay with talking on camera?
I'm a content creator, so.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Can I get you to come maybe just a little bit that way? Perfect. Yeah.
Lighting.
Yeah. Oh gosh, this is beautiful. What's your name?
My name is Luke. I would like to refrain from using my last name.
That's fine.
I am a content creator on Twitch, and I used to be able to be on YouTube, but I lost the account, unfortunately, and I've been trying to actually recover it for the past like 2 months.
Okay. And tell me, are you into trains?
I have been into trains ever since I was probably 12 years old. Actually, no, probably like 7, actually.
What should people know about San Luis Obispo and the railroad community here, the railroad history here?
Well, with San Luis Obispo, obviously we can see that it's a very small depot. It's not really well known along the Central Coast, but it's the last stop from the San Diego up to San Luis on the Pacific, on the Coast Starlight, or is it Pacific Surf?
Pacific Surfliner.
Pacific Surfliner. That's
Yeah,
right.
you're
Coast
right.
Starlight is from LA up to Seattle. This is the final stop, and it's also the beginning point from the Pacific Surfliner down to San Diego. Overall, as a whole, I used to come here all the time with my grandfather, may he rest in peace. He would take me here, he would have me see the trains, he would have me see even locomotives that were just sitting there. I was a big fan of it, and sometimes we would even see like a train come in, and then we'd wait until we would even see it leave. This place has also been pretty full of history. As far as I remember, I think this is the first station that was built to even support long commuter trains, because we can even see that most tracks nowadays are only used as like storage for flat cars. They have like a siding for helper locomotives that for trains going up the grade. We only have like tracks 1 and 2 that are mainly ever used. Other than that, I don't know a whole lot of history, but there's an entire history museum right down the road.
That's right.
It's like 400 feet.
And there's a model railroading club there as well. That has their
been
layout.
inside of it multiple times. I've been there technically 3 times with the Boy Scouts when I was a Boy Scout. We helped to basically sell tickets and everything inside of there.
Wonderful. Okay, so you have some family stories here with your grandpa, and you got into trains when you were a kid. You've taken the Pacific Surfliner. Anything else you want to share about your community here?
There should be a lot more Railfanners out there. There's like only so few around here anymore. Like I'm one of them. I've seen a couple others around here. Like just yesterday, I saw the brand new ALC 42s, which were actually pretty cool. It was my first time seeing them, so it was really cool to get that footage. I say, if you're around in San Luis Obispo County, and if you are stopping in San Luis Obispo, come on by. The staff are really cool in here. If you're a Railfanner, they'll even like to chat with you.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for chatting with me today. And I haven't been here but maybe one other time ever, and it was just for like a few days with my family. So it's been nice to kind of get a feel for the area, and everybody's been so friendly, and it's very relaxed here. And like I said, the station, plenty of people getting on and off the train, but it's still just got this really mellow vibe, which is really nice.
Yeah, it's a pretty mellow vibe around here. San Luis Obispo is kind of quiet on activity. We're just pretty much just a bunch of people just living our lives to the fullest, and we just try to relax. If anyone's in dire need, I help them out as best as I can. Everyone here is super friendly.
Well, Luke, you totally made me think about, I hadn't told you, but I evacuated from Topanga, and it's been like over a week now. And so it's been like very unsettling, and a lot of days it was like just one day to the next and not knowing where I was going to be the next day or what was going on. So anyways, but there's a couple with a house here that they put it on Airbnb for evacuees to use for free. And it was so incredibly generous and such a zen, beautiful place. And they've just been really, really kind. So I'm going to put that link in the description to this episode. If you're ever thinking about coming to this area, it was so spacious. It was so comfortable. Just very artistic, a huge yard is like a garden with all these little sitting areas. And anyways, so I just feel like this whole time I just keep meeting really nice people, like right now. And I wanted to say something about that because they've been very, very generous, and so it's helped make the week better. Thank you so much for chatting with me and sharing a bit about your community here. It's been a really, really great experience.
Well, thank you for stopping by.
Yay! Sorry, I know I'm like wrong hand to shake, but All right, well, have a good rest of your day. Bye.
Have a good one.
Bye. Oh man, right before he took off on his bike, he said, "One thing's for certain, don't give up hope." Yeah, I like that. Bye, Luke.
Bye.
Click on the word membership to receive added perks and keep this channel rolling along. Well, with that, I think I'm gonna go buy the old depot and just get a few shots and then call it a day. And I'll see you all soon.